Hi, Tim Bartz here, McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a video on the Ford Pass. We're going to do actually a series of several videos where we're going to cover some different features on the Ford Pass app. This is the new 5.0 app, and they have removed a bunch of things from the current app for whatever reason. They revamped the app. I think it's just so that it launches faster right now. They have told us they're going to at some point in the future. There's several different FAQs where they actually are pointing out that basically their wording is we will provide owners with an update on these different features, the timing for the new app experience, as well as more information is available. So they plan to bring back a lot of features. But in this video, what we're going to talk about is some of the different owner experiences that are maybe missing, or you might not know where they're located because I did not cover them in my initial first video. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And I got my screen share here, and I'm going to show you in the app where we're going to be able to locate some things, as well as where you can find them on Ford.com if you want a little more information on that, since you may not be able to find those in your app. So let me go ahead and start screen sharing this here so we can kind of look at that. So there we go. So now you guys should be able to see my screen on there. So with this in here, I do have my Maverick right there on the home screen. And the first one I want to kind of highlight and talk about is where is the tire pressure, miles, oil life. A lot of people are like, it's gone. It's not there anymore. It is still there. So if you go to services, right, lower right-hand corner, it's those little wrenches down there. Go to services. And on here, you're going to see at the very top, it says vehicle health. Mine says good with a check mark. There's an arrow there. If you just click on that anywhere, it's going to give you the vehicle health of the vehicle. It says no active alerts. The status, it shows my tire pressure on all the tires right there. Then also gives me what the optimal cold tire pressure should be if I want to air those up right below that. And then oil life, it's saying 28% right now. It shows that estimated distance with that oil life is about 1,400 miles. And the estimated service date that I should get an oil change done, which is saying September 2024. You're seeing my mileage down there as well at the bottom. 3586 is my odometer right now. So that kind of shows you too that, I'm going to need the oil change done on the time base, not on mileage base, because I'm not driving a lot of miles with this. But that's where you're going to find some of that initial information that maybe you weren't sure where that was located before. Now, if I go back to the vehicle, you can see my Maverick. The upper right-hand corner, there's a little person up there. If you click on that person, that's your account information in here. And right below, down there, there's several sections, settings, and there's other services. So your rewards information, your connected services, as well as Ford credit, and links to those are right there. So if I click the rewards, and it actually does redirect you, I believe, to a website, or it's going to actually pull it up. So yeah, it actually is pulling it up within the app. It still says rewards up there at the top. And if I believe if I click then at that point, view dashboard, then it pulls up my rewards. So I'm at 38,725 rewards points. I'm working on getting enough points there to get a Ford Performance for my Bronco. And so there's where you can see that. Now, if I click the X in the left-hand corner up there, it takes me, I'm still within the app. Now, the connected services, I click on that, and that's where you're going to find if you're getting Blue Cruise. Maybe if you get 1 year, you get the navigation where you get 1 year for free, and then after that, you have to pay for it, like on my Bronco. This is where you would actually sign up for those connected services. So right now, it's not saying it because I don't have a credit card attached to it. So it's having some issues. But it started to load there for a second. That's where you'd actually see for Blue Cruise and different things on that. That's where that's going to be located. And then Ford credits. So I might have to, this in here wants to actually pull up a Ford credit app and such. But that's where those links are for that. You can also find it on the internet on the website. So we're going to actually go here, and I'm going to show you some other places where you can find some of these things. So let me get over here. And actually, I might need to pull this down so you guys can see it correctly here. Okay, so here we are on the website. So you go to Ford.com/support. You're not seeing the URL there because the way I have it, the screen share on there. But you go there and you can see a lot of different information here on your vehicle. So at the top, vehicles, shop, and support and service. That's where if you just go to Ford.com, click on that, should get the same section in here. Now, you can sign in with your own account if you want to. I'm not going to sign in and everything like that, but You can see other information down here as well. So you can search by vehicle. I put my VIN number in here, and I'm going to actually hit search. Now you can also go by year and model as well if you want, if you don't remember what your VIN is. Now, if you do want to know where your VIN is, I'm going to pop up the app again just for a second. If you are on your vehicle and you go up to the little vehicles in the upper right-hand corner by the person, and you click on the vehicle details. So I see my vehicles here. There's a Bronco Maverick. If I click vehicle details, which is kind of in white underneath select vehicle, when you go in there, there's your VIN number. So you can name your vehicle there as well. And there's your VIN number and who has access to that vehicle as well. And I can reset and all that. So that's where you'd find that there. Now, I am on a computer right here searching this, but you can do it on your phone as well. So then you can copy that VIN. You saw a little copy icon on the right hand corner. You can actually copy the VIN and then put it in here. Now I'm going to hit search here, and it's giving me specific information for my 2023 Maverick vehicle. So you can see a vehicle checklist, discover your Ford in there. It gives you different how-tos on your vehicle, that kind of stuff. Recalls and information. I do have a recall right now on the vehicle. We do have a sync update, which I didn't know I needed an update. There is an update available on the vehicle. FordPass rewards, again, you can get there this way as well. And then owner manual and warranty. So there's my warranty start date, 8/21 of 23. I can go into the owner's manual right here. I believe. There we go. You can do it by VIN number, model, that kind of thing. So we're going to do it by VIN number. Now there's your owner's manual. So if you want to view the HTML, there it is. It used to be in the app. It's not. This is how you would find it. If you want to, you can also, some vehicles will have it on the screen as well. Like if you have the Sync 4 screen, you'll have it. My Maverick won't have that. But I do have a physical owner's manual in the vehicle. But if I want to be able to see it in an HTML format or PDF, I can download them right here as well. My warranty guide as well, and some of that stuff there. So let me go back because I want to show you some other stuff. So there's where that's at. Now, if you keep scrolling down on this page, you'll see some quick links to some places, including, I think is Ford credit in here, service schedule services in here, service history on your vehicle, Ford Insure. There's your warranty information, connected services, as I was about ready to go into, Ford credit. It is right there. So all those quick links are right here under support. So that's where you're going to want to go to get some of that information. Now, there's a couple other places you can go. If you go to Ford.com/support/maintenance-schedule, you can find your maintenance schedule for your vehicle. So I'm going to flash that URL up there. Also, if you want to get your vehicle health report, you go to Ford.com/support/service-maintenance/vehicle-health-reports. And that gets your vehicle health reports. And then service history is /support/service-history. Or as you can see, it should be as one of these different links right here as well. Service history right there. So in maintenance schedule, all that's kind of right here as well. So there's how you would get to that information. I wanted to kind of point that out and let people know that's where that's at. If you're looking for that, some of the stuff was available in the FordPass app and is no longer available. But that's where you'd want to go to find some of that information. And again, in the next coming weeks, we're going to also do one on several different videos on where you could find how you'd access zone lighting, how you would access your vehicle light checklist for a trailer, if you hook up a trailer in a trailer checklist, as well as Pro Power on board. So we're going to do 3 separate videos for those particular things that are going to be shorter videos. But I thought for this week, let's get started. Where is some of the different basic stuff on my vehicle? The vehicle history, service history, all that kind of stuff. Where can I find that? It's easy to just go to Ford.com/support, get you started. You can put your VIN number in there. You can go by year, make, all that kind of stuff. Put your VIN in there. They should be able to pull your vehicle history information right there on that website. And again, you can do that on your phone as well. You don't always have to just do it on, a computer or a desktop computer, that kind of stuff. I'm just showing it because it's a lot easier for me and filming it that way. So hopefully that did help you out and get you some information of where some of those things are located. And be looking in the next couple of weeks. We're going to get those other FordPass how-tos as well, or really not FordPass anymore, where you can find access to those things on your in your vehicle on the vehicle screen. We're going to go through all those for you as well in future videos. So hope you guys come back for those. Make sure you're subscribed, bell notifications turned on for all things Ford related. If you want to stay updated on all vehicle Ford how-to videos, Ford information, this is a channel for you. Hopefully you smash that like button for me. And until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.